Hi, in this video, I will tell you how to redeem discount voucher. First, download the CabBazar Outstation Taxi mobile application from App Store or Play Store. Make sure you're logging with the same mobile number from which you have made your previous booking. Create your profile if you're a new customer. If you're an existing customer, you can log in with your password. Now create your correct booking. For example, now, check your trip details, and select your car type. Before making the booking, reconfirm your trip date and time. Now click on Have Coupon, Rewards or Voucher line, and after that, click on Pay with Voucher option. Now, that is showing Pay, Zero Advance and Book, then click any of the payment gateway, like Pay by Paytm or Pay via other modes. Now you can check your booking placed successfully. Now soon you will receive the cab and driver details to your text, SMS and email. You can check your voucher history in your profile section.